Hello guys, this is Fourier, and this is the plugin PowerTeleport, which I've written along with CMonster95. What it does is a simple teleportation plugin that allows you to teleport to players by various means like TP to a player, TP here which will bring the player to you, TPA where you can send a request that can be accepted or denied, TPA here which sends a request to bring a player to your location. And then these commands accept or deny that. Then we have TP lock, which stands for TP location. It allows you to take a player name, teleport them to X, Y, or Z. And then the pitch and yaw, which pitch is any integer from -90, which is looking down or looking up. Yaw is any integer, which is 0, facing south, to 359, which is a full circle, going around in a clockwise fashion. Then I also have incorporated a back command, which you can return to your latest death location once. Then there's also the command TP world, where you can teleport a player to a world that's loaded. And then PowerTeleport is just a command, which I think if I ever include any more plugins, I'll just have it, and it brings up the link to this page that we're on. There's also config file, which TP request timeout sets the time in seconds before a teleport request, or which uses the /TPA and /TPA here. There's TP request delay, which it's the time in seconds. A player needs to stand still, otherwise their teleport will just fail. This is useful if you need to prevent PvP teleportation, like say someone's about to get killed, they want to teleport out, etc. The back delay, which is the delay you have after the /back command, this is separate from the other one because admins might want to be able to go quicker, and there's a permission node for that to bypass it. PT and then the asterisk gives use to all PowerTeleport commands. There's PT/.TP basic, which just you can give this to the common player, which allows them to request a teleport to a player and accept and deny it. This is for OP or admin or otherwise trusted people because you can force a TP to a player. This is also force TP. These are the ones that you give the standard players right here. Again, this is for trusted players because you can teleport players to whatever location. The /back command you can give to players if you want. Bypass it. You can bypass the delay with back, which is set at 5 seconds at default. I'll show you that later. Then we have teleport to a new world that's loaded, and then pt.forums, which is the command /PowerTeleport to get to this page. Features to be implemented, but anyway, if you're going to download this, you're going to go to download and you'll just click download. But I've already downloaded it since I've already made the plugin. Yeah, so I'll go to, not Minecraft, we'll go here. Here it's in my downloads. I'm just going to see, you'll see that this is the actual plugin. Actually, I lied. I'm going to go download again. Because PowerTeleport is distributed, as you see, in a zip file. Meaning, right here, you've got this, and then this right here is the actual plugin. That's what you want to take out and extract, which I've already done. This is source code in case you felt like you wanted to modify it, look at the source code, etc. If you want to learn Java too, even, it might help, because I've notated everything quite nicely. Anyway, I'm going to go to my server. I just called it plugin review, and we're going to go take PowerTeleport and drag it. Come on, go this way. Whatever. Plugins. PowerTeleport's there. It'll generate a config file. I'm just going to run with 2 gigabytes just because I feel like it. Running, blah 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 blah. Spawned world. Okay, done. Now, if I go in here to plugins, PowerTeleport, you'll see a config is generated. Here we go. Here's the TP request timeout. If you send a request to a player for a teleport, like /TPA or /TPA here, it'll have a 30-second timeout, meaning it'll become, no, you can no longer accept it after 30 seconds. The time you have to stay still before you teleport using a request command like TPA or TPA here is 5 seconds, and same thing for using /back. You have to stand still. Okay, that's all that is. We'll upgrade this config file in future releases. Now it's time to go in game to actually see the commands. Hello guys, this is Forever again, and I'm joined by DirectTarg, and we'll demonstrate the plugin in game. Okay, if I go to Help, PowerTeleport, let's see what we've got. We've got the back command, PowerTeleport, TP, TPA, TPA accept, TPA here, TP deny, TP here. And on the second page, we have TP lock and TP world. We will start by the basic TP command, which forcibly teleports a player to another. I will just teleport to DirectTarg, and as you can see, I teleport right to him. Keep in mind this is a forceful command, and they have no choice whether they get teleported to or not. Direct teleport to me once. Fail. Anyway, you can see that the player that gets teleported to does not get a message. If there is more players, I could actually teleport them to each other. Like, if you ever have people asking on your server, oh, could you teleport me to so-and-so? This plugin still maintains the functionality of that, so I'll teleport DirectTarg to Forever, and he just did that. Okay, now, the /TP here command. This forces a player to teleport right to you. So, I'll use it, and I'll bring back DirectTarg over here. Might have lost his pig. Oh well. Anyway, it's the same as the other one. It's a forceful command. The player that gets teleported to does not get a message. Now, let's use the ones that do require an acceptance. We have to use /TPA to send a request to DirectTarg. He'll receive a request. You have requested to teleport to DirectTarg. Now he will accept it, and then it says teleportation will commence in 5 seconds, don't move. And I have teleported to him. Now he will teleport to me in the same fashion after he's done dragging that squig somewhere. Okay, he's requested to teleport you. Now, this request will time out in 30 seconds if I don't answer it. So basically it just says it timed out. And I will deny it this time, just to show you that you have denied DirectTarg's teleport request and he was not able to teleport to me. And likewise, like the TP here command that forcibly teleports, we have the TPA here command, which requests that he teleport to me. And he can deny that if he wishes.
I typically do deny it.
And he accepted it. Okay, what next? Shall we do... I think we'll do the /back command. Oh, before we do that, I don't know if you saw, but like /TP deny denies any request, and /TP accept, I didn't use it yet, but it'll look like this /TP accept. And it's giving me an error message because no one has actually sent me a teleport request. So, kind of like you're stupid, kind of like if I tried to teleport to myself. Teleport Forever to Forever, you cannot teleport a player to themselves. Or, if I tried to do this, you can't teleport to yourself. Anyway, back to the /back command. /back is used if you die. So like, if DirectTarg wants to have fun and kill me right now, he can. Does he? Okay. Game mode 0. Kill me. Let's go. Let's go, bruh. Let's go. Let's go. 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 Okay. That's kind of unfair. But anyway, I'll respawn. And he killed me somewhere over there. Okay? I'm going to use the /back command, and I now am over here. You stand where you once were.
He's a hacker.
Just a boss. Anyway, this only works once. So if I try to use, like, say I go over here and I want to kind of get back there or say something, I'm like going to start drowning or whatever. Blub, 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 blub. Okay, if I try to use slash back again, you have yet to die. I can't actually get back there. It only works once. Okay, what else do we have? We have, I think we'll do just the simple slash PowerTeleport command. What this does is it gives us a link to the PowerTeleport Bukkit page, and I'm just going to click on it. And as you can see, it is loading and brings me to PowerTeleport. There. That's all that command does. Oh, yes. The TP world command will do next. I only have one world loaded at the moment, and that's just the basic world because this is a basic server designed to just demonstrate this plugin. So I will teleport. Oops, that's not the right command. TP world. Not TPQ, TP world. For a bear, and then you have to do your world name. It needs to be loaded, so I'm going to teleport myself to world, which is the name of this world. Okay, you have teleported for a bear to world. What it does is it brings you to that world spawn, and I'm at the spawn. And now I'm going to go back to tab because I don't know. Okay. Ooh, zombies. Anyway. Oh, there's one right there. Game mode myself back to creative. Now, this is the most complex command we have left. It is /TP lock, which stands for teleporting a player to a location. Anyway, you first start with a player, which is for a var. I'm going to use that. Then you have an x coordinate. I'm going to choose 0 as my x coordinate. Or actually, I don't know. I'll go with 25. Then I'll say my y coordinate can just be 100. And, ooh, that's a nice rotten flesh. We'll go to a z coordinate of, I don't know, 87, just because I feel like it. Okay, this teleported me to 25, 100, 87. Okay, as you can see, my x is at 25, my y dropped down to 57 since I fell, and my z is at 87. Now, something else that this offers is that you can do pitch and yaw. Pitch is looking up and down like this, straight up and down. Any turning like this is yaw.
Yaw.
Yaw. Okay, so adding on to this command, say I wanted to look straight ahead, it would be 0 degrees. I just put a 0, and then 0 means straight. Okay. If I wanted to look up, it would be 90. If I wanted to look down, we'd have negative 90. We'll just do down for the heck of it. And I'm going to look north, so I'll go 180 because that's directly behind me. It starts looking south. And it says go position negative 90 degrees, 180. So I'm looking down, or looking up, or down, or all around. Anyway, here I am. If I want to look, but I also have these. I can use straight to look, oops, if I can spell straight, jeez. Straight, and then north for that. I'll end up looking straight and I'll look north. If I want to look somewhere else, like say I wanted to look down, we'll go, here I'll just change the command completely. We'll go 0, 1, for a var, 0, 100, 100, we're going to go down and we're going to look southwest. Sounds good. And as you can see, I'm looking down. I'm at 0, 100, 100, and I'm looking southwest, and I'm looking down. So that's kind of a fun command to play with, and I believe that's everything we have with PowerTeleport. We'll eventually add some new features, which includes hooking into LilyPad API so we can do cross-server teleports, which is even cooler. Just about as cool as flying pigs. Okay. And then we'll also upgrade the config file so you can change these messages to suit your liking. Yeah, and we'll also include something that you can determine that PowerTeleport is updated. It'll send a message to OP players that you can update. That's it. So have fun with the plugin. Any last words? Drek?
This is commonly called animal abuse.
Okay. I think we'll just do stop. Goodbye.